Alright guys, we're back. Here we go. We're gonna do a little pad thai tonight. Check me out. One pretty high heat. Not doing it in a wok. Just a nice skillet pan, a little bit deep so you can get those noodles in. What we have so far here is these are our pad thai noodles. You gotta soak them for about 25 to 30 minutes in very hot water straight from the tap. You don't need to boil it because we don't want these noodles to boil. We just want to soften them up. Okay. We have our homemade pad thai sauce. Take peanuts, a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of sea salt, mortar and pestle, grind it up really fine into like a paste. You see that? It's perfect. Okay, about half a cup. You're going to do about half a cup is 4 ounces, so you're going to do 2 ounces in your mortar and pestle to make your pad thai sauce. You're going to have another 2 ounces right here of that half cup finely chopped to garnish and put everything in there. We're going to have a little bit of cilantro to garnish in the end, the peanuts. If you like Thai spicy, do a little bit on the side. Save your friends. They'll appreciate you. They'll love you more. Thai hot can be real hot. This is like dragon chilies with fish oil. Okay, you're gonna have a little lime on the side. Unfortunately today we weren't able to find bean sprouts. I would have loved to have been able to find them, but it didn't work out. Searched for them high and low, didn't work out. 1 egg. Okay, just like that. Okay, you're gonna use about 4 tablespoons of oil. We're gonna use some avocado oil today. You can use any kind of cooking oil you like. Some that can handle pretty high heat. Okay. Put about 2 tablespoons or so in the beginning. Get it nice and hot. Okay. Once that comes up to hot, we're going to go on ahead and get this thing started. There we go. First thing we're going to do is, guys, we're going to add our egg. Okay. Add that egg right there. Okay. Push pretty fast. We have our shrimp here. This is something that involves maybe about 20 minutes or so of prep, but you do the prep work. Got your green onion there on the side, a couple of those red chili peppers or dragon chilies if you can find them. You soak your noodles. Total prep time takes about 25-30 minutes with the noodles. 30 minutes prep time. Cook time about 10 minutes. Okay. So we start with 2 tablespoons of oil, an egg, scramble that egg in there really quick, cook fast, just lightly scramble it, boom. Throw in your shrimp or your meat, whatever it is you want, about half a pound. This is about half a pound of pad thai noodles, just rice noodles. Once we add these noodles, They're gonna be in there for about, I don't know, anywhere between like 4 to 7 minutes, something like that. We're gonna keep an eye on them. Okay, so just keep that all in mind. Okay, you don't want to overcook your shrimp. Nice and easy. Nice and easy, nice and easy. Beautiful. Food talks. Smell those beautiful smells. Right. That is beautiful. All right. Like I said, this all comes together pretty quick. Add a little bit more oil. Another about 2 tablespoons. There it is. Thai noodles. Okay. Everything mixed together. Yes. And sometimes you're cooking it, if it looks like it needs it, add a little more oil. Food talks. If you listen, you just see what's going on, bring it all together, take care of the family. Beautiful. Everything's coming together beautifully. Okay. I'm gonna add in our chilies. Just to add to the flavor or enhance the flavor, because you're not chopping them up. It's not gonna make anything too crazy spicy. You want to enhance it. You add the red chili powder. Not flakes, the powder. You can chop these up and put them in there. It'll change the whole game. So be aware. Don't make it too spicy if you're cooking it for people the first time, unless they really love spicy and they're asking for it. Okay. And about 2 minutes now. These noodles are softening up. Remember, these noodles are soaked. All the flavors to come together. Beautiful. Give it a minute, so let the magic happen. Beautiful. Okay. Come together. Go. Next, gonna add your green onion, your scallion. Okay, that's about four scallions, 4 green onions. In here. Just freshen that up a little bit. Okay. And add our pad thai sauce, which is a peanut sauce, just so you know. You can buy it in the store pre-made. You can make it yourself and it'll be even better. In a minute. See, everything cooks pretty quickly once you add the green onion. If you had bean sprouts, you add it in now too. All those things at this high heat cook pretty quickly. Just take just over a minute or so. Those are the last things you add. I'm gonna keep moving everything around. Alright, look at that beautiful pad thai. Come and get it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's all coming together. You can do this at home. I learned from my mother. My mother is from Thailand. She's from a small village on the Thailand-Cambodia border, Nang Rong. I was born here in America, in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. But whenever I visit my mom growing up, she always showed me these little things, and I tried to remember everything. So this is my mom's recipe. It is not my own. Alright, and just like that, heat is off. There you have it, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pad thai. Check that out. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Stay tuned. There's more cooking adventures to come. If there's any recipes you guys would like to see me put together, go ahead and drop a comment. Smash the like button if you found value in this. Respect and love. Y'all take care of your families out there. See you soon.